Look how he ran out the room.
Action! Turn the lights on. Turn up for the team. Buy up everything. We don't need a reason. We just need the cream. Turn up for the team. We live in a dream. Let the family business begin. Turn up for the team. Turn up for the team. Turn up for the team. Turn up for the team.
What it is, what it do, YouTube? It's your boy Shy J, and I'm back again with another reaction video, man. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications so you know when your boy's posting. And if you're feeling this video, make sure you let me know by dropping a like or by leaving a comment down below. Also, if you haven't done so already, be sure to go follow your boy on all the social medias because they are listed above. But this time, man, we're gonna be reacting to another one, another little skit, comedy skit YouTuber. His name is Hardstop Lucas. Never heard of him before, never seen him before. Shout out to homeboy that just told me to go check him out in my comments. I literally had just found him right before he commented that too. That's crazy. So we thinking alike, man. You know what they say, great minds think alike, man. But shout out to you, man. Let me give you a real shout out. Shout out to Javion Mac, bro. Yeah, man. But yeah, man, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video, man. It ain't too long, so we're gonna check it out.
Huh? I'm not playing these games.
Oh. Yeah. Hey, that beat hard.
I don't know why, but my eyes burn. Did you try blinking? No. What class you learned that in? Oh, hey, Kevin. Hey, what's...
We gotta start that over. I don't know why, but my eyes burn. Did you try blinking? No. Well, that's the problem, my guy.
I don't know why, but my eyes burn. Did you try blinking?
Hey, I didn't even realize that transition. What
hey, Kevin.
the
Hey,
editing?
what's wrong with you?
Nothing, I'm fine. I just got a headache.
I mean, did you eat breakfast?
Nah, I was in a rush to leave out, so I didn't get a chance.
Oh, well, if you're hungry, I got snacks in my bag if you want some.
I appreciate it, but nah, I think I'll be fine. It's just 3 more hours until lunch anyways.
All right, don't say I didn't offer. My eyes! Just close them. Damn! All right, my beautiful students. Today's y'all favorite time of the month, test day. We're gonna get started early today. Y'all tests is already on y'all desk. When I say start, you may flip them over and begin.
Look at Bunquisha.
What the hell?
Look at Bunquisha.
When I say
Looking
start,
like
you
the
may flip
monster
them
from
over and
Monsters
begin.
Inc.
What the hell are you doing?
Oh.
I say when I say start, start. Start. You said start.
I remember. Hold on.
No.
I'm gonna stop pausing it. But I remember a teacher embarrassed me so bad for doing that. I'm talking about in front of the whole class. She stopped everything and just went off on me, bro. When I tell you, I wanted to cry so bad. But it was like, I think it was like my first year in middle school, and I was trying to toughen up. Bro, when I tell you, oh my God, that is what, oh my. She embarrassed the hell out of me, bro.
What are y'all doing?
All because I flipped the test over before she said it.
Until I say the word, I don't want to hear any talking or noise of any kind. If I hear anything besides those pencils and that paper, we're going to have a problem. Obviously, I'm not in the mood for it today. Do we got that clear? I said, do we got that clear? Yes.
Yo, that editing is on point, bro.
Begin. So did we start it? I don't think so. He didn't
I think them teachers be going through some things at home and bring it to school. Ooh, I hate when that happens.
I'm sorry, you're going to have to keep it down. I'm trying to do my test, and you're being very inconsiderate right now.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, I think I'll take those snacks now. Too late. Already gave them to Gina.
Yeah! Girl got a whole... Yeah! Hold up. But she got Domino's, homemade spaghetti, and Subway. God dang. Uh-oh.
Who keep making these noises? Don't let me find out who it is. I know y'all know, but y'all not telling me. I said no noises. I meant no noises. So don't let me find out who the culprit is. Okay. Well, it must have stopped. Okay, well, everybody get back to work.
Yo.
Okay, who is it? Steven? Whoa, don't look at me. I heard it coming from Kevin.
So I've been sitting next to Kevin this entire time, and I got 100% say it can't be him.
Well, what do you have to say about this, Kevin?
To be honest, I think it's Ryan.
Dang.
I think it's Gina, to be honest with you.
Ryan
Yeah,
just.
yeah, she's been kind of sus.
Very sus.
Well, Gina, what you got to say about that? Well,
I'm talking about, bro, how he flip on Ryan. Bro, he flipped on Ryan just that fast.
well, I guess that says it. All in favor to kick out Gina? All right, then. Now,
Hey,
stay
what if
calm
they
and
did that
be
for
right.
real in class?
It wasn't me.
Don't you lie to me. I knew it was you. Who are you talking to like that? Oh, are you getting smoked with me? Oh, I think you are.
Bruh.
Oh, I'm not playing.
See, the thing about it with me, or I don't know, bruh. I don't know if it's just me that be thinking this, or other people be thinking this, but when my stomach growl, I be thinking people thinking that I farted. And that's what makes me so embarrassed. Even when I try to explain the situation, I be like, nah, that was my stomach. Like, it's just, like, the look of embarrassment on my face just makes it look like I farted. You know what I'm saying? like I be so embarrassed. I'm like, ah, man, my stomach, bro. Yeah, like, even when I say that, it sound like, yeah, oh man, my stomach, man. Yeah, I keep farting. Okay, y'all get what I'm saying, man. Let's get back to the video.
Anything. Okay, so now it's finished.
They got Uncle Phil his ass.
Look, y'all only got 20 minutes left in class. Just get y'all tests done. For me, please. For yourselves.
Uh-oh.
Oh, no.
wait. Bro, it's the way he ran out the room, bro. Look how he ran out the room. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, I see why this thing got 2 million subscribers, bro. This is hilarious. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bro, if you enjoyed this video, man, make sure you let me know, and make sure you leave a comment down below, bro. Make sure y'all get them comments in down below for real, man. Y'all give me some suggestions down below who to react to, you feel me? But that's gonna do it for this video, man. Appreciate you for rocking with your boy, man. Make sure you stick around to the channel for more videos dropping, man. This your boy Side J, and I'm out. Oh shoot, I messed up. This your boy Side J, and I'm out. Peace.